Ruling handed down. Another could come later this afternoon in two of the criminal cases involving former President Donald Trump.
Washington correspondent Trevor Shirley has the latest from D.C.
Well, today judges are hearing arguments in one case about a potential start date for a trial, and in another case, a judge is considering a change of venue. In Washington, a judge has ruled a start date of March 4th, 2024 for the case involving allegations former President Donald Trump tried to overturn the 2020 election. That date might overlap with other prosecution the former president faces as well. Trump's attorneys wanted that trial to wait until April of 2026, while prosecutors wanted a start date in January 2024. Prosecutors say the American people deserve a resolution before next fall's election. In the meantime, Trump's former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, will argue for a change of venue, taking the Georgia racketeering case involving the former president and 18 co-defendants out of state court and into federal court. Meadows argues he was a federal employee at the time of his accused crimes and should therefore be tried at the federal level. Moving the case out of state court is supported by the former president's legal team, as they believe it would be a more friendly jury pool, pulling jurors from around Georgia instead of just historically Democratic Fulton County. Trump's attorneys say they're ready for whatever date and jurisdictions are ultimately chosen.
You don't have to prep much when you've done nothing wrong. So that I'm not concerned with. These trial dates also are going to move. It's unrealistic, it's theatrics, and no judge is going to say that you can be on two trials at once in two different states, because a lot of these overlap.
And we're expecting a resolution of sorts in the Georgia case at some point today as well. Reporting in Washington, I'm Trevor Shirley, WGN News.